Hello, Stephen. This is Stephen Seagull, they call him. He's a hungry little fella, but he's hand tame, look. So somebody obviously reared him, didn't they? Yeah, little fella. Yes, yes. You're a nice little chap, aren't you, eh? Hey. Stephen Seagull, they call you, don't they? Hey, you can even touch you, can't you? Hey, hey. Yes, a fully grown little fella, and we're down at West Mersea, and you're popular with everyone, aren't you? Hey, you're famous, aren't you? Where you going with that bit of bread? Come back with it. You're going to swallow it and then you're going to come back for more, aren't you? Hey. Yeah, it's probably not very good for you, bread, but seagulls eat anything, don't they? Hey, you eat anything, don't you? Hey, and smile for the camera. Probably going to peck the camera, aren't you? Yes, you're going to peck the camera. Very good. Very good. You want some more bread? Want some more? There you are, it. There you are, it. There you are, then. Come here. There you are. There you are. Just appeared one day. But I reckon somebody found him and looked after him and just let him out. He lives with the other birds. It's not like he's disadvantaged or anything. He hunts and eats stuff like other seagulls do, but he's just very domesticated, aren't you? Hey, you peck my camera, yes, good pecking. Very good pecking. Yes, you're a happy little fellow, aren't you? Sounds young, but it's not. It's a fully grown adult. It will sit on your arm when it's a bit bored, but at the moment it's got other things on its mind, as you can see. And it gets to recognise your car as well, so it knows my white van now. That comes to see me. Yes, Mr. Seagull. So it's called Stephen Seagull, or Seagully. It's called Stephen because it never shuts up, apparently. And that's named after one of the fishermen. And Seagull, obviously. And Seagully because it sounds like an actor. Yes, yes. You're not too struck on that, are you? No, you're going to eat my hand now, are you? You're going to eat my hand. Doggy over there, you don't like doggies, do you? Hey. There's loads more bread. Look, there's your next bit, look. Right, Esther. I think I've got enough pictures of you. You can have the other bit of bread. Here you are. There you are. Yes, thank you. Okay, see you soon, buddy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Stephen.